Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you two simple methods to check the MAC address in Kali Linux. Let's get started. Method 1 is using the iplink command. Step 1. Open your terminal and type iplink, then press enter. This command will display all network interfaces on your system. Your Ethernet adapter appears as ETH0 and your wireless adapter as WLAN0. In my case, only the Ethernet adapter is present, shown as ETH0. Here you can see the 12-digit MAC address listed next to link/ether. If you want to check a specific interface, you can type iplink show ETH0, or for Wi-Fi, iplink show WLAN0. Now let's move on to method 2, using the ifconfig command. Type clear in the terminal to clean the screen and press enter. Then type ifconfig and press enter. This will display all installed network adapters. In this case, ETH0 is our wired Ethernet adapter. You can find the 12-digit MAC address next to the word ether. Note: if ifconfig is not installed, you can install it by typing sudo apt install nettools. And that's it. These are the two easiest ways to check the MAC address in Kali Linux. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon to stay updated with more Linux tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.